on. Yeah. 나른해요 그대 곁에 있을 때 yeah. 곧 노래를 부르게 해주네요 yeah.
Good kids. Oh yeah. What's good? What's good? Today I'm doing a tutorial. That's wild. It's crazy, right? Cool. But this time, this ain't gonna be like your regular tutorial. It's where you hear my voice. That's crazy, right? I mean, okay, I'm sorry if I do like different voice pitches throughout this video. Something's wrong with me. I'm a crackhead. I'm very loud. I'm a Leo. Gang, gang, August. Lives matter. Okay, anyway. So, why did I just breathe? Wait, you need to breathe. Okay, so today we are doing something fun. We're gonna learn how to add gifs in whatever to our edits, cause that's cool. Bitch, I mean, pitch, sweetheart. Oh my god. Oh my god, stop cursing, Malcolm. I don't give a shit. Okay, whatever. That's cool. That's amazing. So, we're using photopea because some people can't afford Photoshop, and I understand that completely. We all struggling with our editing lives, you know? But that's cool. We're amazing. I'm gonna do something simple today. And because I know people don't want to watch like long ass videos, so let's get into it. Why did I just sound like that? So open up photopea. Cool stuff. I'm using my computer because it works faster on the computer. New project. My new project. I hope it'll load. Oh my god, it loaded so fast. We love that. For the sake of this video, I'm going to do a perfect square edit. Well, not really. Well, it is perfect square because it's 512 by 512 pixels. That's whatever. Anytime you're editing something digitally, hey, don't move around in here, okay? Stop. Sorry, I'm talking to my cat. Okay. So, cool. The background. I'm going to change it. Can I change it? Please, please, don't be slow. We're gonna need We're gonna need transparent because we love that. PNGs, renders, we're cool. 300 DPI because that's the resolution. You see all this good stuff right here? That's amazing. The name of our project is New Project. Cool, we're gonna create that now. That's cool. Now we're gonna see this little square and it's gonna be checkered, which means it's transparent. We want that. We love that for us. Okay. Now I'm gonna open in place. Please stop moving. Go back to sleep. Okay. We're opening up stuff now. Cool, amazing. Please don't take so long. Why did I just click on that like multiple times? Okay, cool. Amazing. This is great, guys. We're on a great track right now. We love this. I love this. Please do not look at my Sims 4 things. I am addicted to that game. It's not my problem. I mean, it's a problem, obviously, but who cares? Oh my god. What's going on? Woo! Where is it? Hold on. Oh dear. I'm just open up our PSD coloring first because I don't know what else is going on. But yeah, I'll show you guys how to also. Oh dear. Oh dear. Never mind. Don't look at that. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Delete. Okay. God, that was just horrible. Why did I just do that? Am I drunk? Am I drunk? Oh god. Please don't let me be drunk. I don't need to be drunk this early. Wait, it's not early. It's nighttime. I gotta. Oh wait. Wait, no, don't do this to me. Open. Oh my god. Ew, I just sounded hella cringy. Open. Open. Okay, I guess we're gonna open up a new GIF. GIF. Open. Open. We're gonna download it again because why not? So I download most of my content off of weheartit. Shout out to all the people that I take things from. I don't steal from you. I'm sorry. Shout out to LVXXBBH. What the heck does that stand for? That's a lot. Does that like love? Oh, I get it. You're funny. Well, that's not funny, but it's wild. I don't understand how people. Did I tell you to move? Stop moving. Excuse you. Excuse you. Stop. Okay. Now we're saving as a GIF. Okay, I don't care what the name of it is right now. Where is it? Oh, it's being saved in documents. Oh my god, it all makes sense now. Okay. Now we're gonna open it from documents because that makes sense. Oh my god. I hate that. I hate that. Why did it do that to me? It hates me too. I just have this love-hate relationship between me and my computer. I just love it. We just love it. We just love it so much. It's so gorgeous. There it was the entire time. I hate it. I love you though, computer. You're just my baby. You're my baby. Okay, so you know it's a GIF if it's a folder. Ba 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 ba. As you can see. Oh god, I didn't mean to do that. As you can see, and you can look, and you definitely know it's a GIF if you see all the frames. The frame should look like this. And this underscore with the A and another underscore, that means animation, which causes photopea to know that it is an animation. That's what GIFs are. Moving pictures. If you did not know that, oh my god. Okay, we need to call somebody for you, sis, or bro, or non-gender human being. Or if you're a dog and you're watching this, wow, you're crazy. You go wild. You live your best life. You're amazing. Now I'm gonna open and place my TV overlay because that's cool. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do a TV thingamajigger. I downloaded the diggity doo dee. What the hell am I saying? I downloaded this overlay off of weheartit. You guys should check it out. It's cool. It's amazing. So yeah, you can probably look up TV overlay or something on weheartit. So cool, amazing, cool, amazing, 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 amazing. What am I doing right now? So you see this white stuff right here? It does not look checkered, which means, oh god, why did I say that? Which means it's not. Oh, okay. So this is a smart object if it has this little cute, little adorable little cube. So you want to rasterize it first before you can do like any editing or like drawing on it. Oh god! Oh god! No! No! It's that freaking it did it again! I'm sorry. Ever since I turned on my computer today, it's been popping up adult sites and I'm just confused on to why that's happening because I have never watched anything like that on this computer. If I want to do that, I gotta do it incognito on my phone, you know what I'm saying? Okay, whatever. Okay, cool. You guys didn't hear that from me. So now I'm gonna go to this little brush right here. It's cool, right? I'm gonna do magic wand. Then I'm gonna select all this white. Crazy, right? Oh wait, did I rasterize it? No, I didn't. Layer. Rasterize. Now I can delete whatever I want. Edit on it. I'm scratching my scalp. That was hot. Okay. Now I'm hitting Control X to delete it. Or you can always go over to this cute little eraser and erase it. But I don't do that. It's dumb. I did Control X to delete it. Now I'm gonna do Control D to deselect. That's cool. Or whatever. Okay. Now, how am I gonna get this over here to this? It's pretty simple actually. You just gotta drag your shit. I mean, oh god, I cursed. Oh god, I cursed. Oh god, Christine, I cursed. Oh god, you know we gotta burn the whole house down then, Christine. Oh my god, Christine, no. What is wrong with me? So yeah, I just dragged it. You know, drag, yo bitch, drag it across the street, honey. Okay, so I dragged it. Now I'm gonna hit edit. Now I'm gonna hit free transform. You can't see my finger pointing right now, but I'm yeah. Now I'm gonna transform it, and if I don't wanna distort it and make it look funky, I'm gonna hold down funky. Okay, Jenny. Okay, fuck. Inner Forest has came out. Okay, I'm gonna push shift hold down the shift key while I drag. Drag. I drag it before I tag it. I'm a dragon, whatever, you know. Cool stuff, amazing stuff. They're gonna drag, driggity drag, and then I just release the shift button because now I'm just moving things around, and it's cool. I'm gonna hit that check. We're cool, amazing. Golf clap. You guys can't see my hands. I'm glad you can't see my hands because I'm clapping properly. I think that's properly. I don't know. So now, you know. Oh god, that was gross. So you see these corners right here? That's not cute, honey. Okay. So you know what you're gonna do? I'm gonna delete this because why don't we need this anymore? You know what you need to do? You can hit Control and J to copy it immediately, or you can right-click your mouse and duplicate the layer. Boom, boom. That's crazy, honey. What's wrong with me? Loco. Okay, anyway. That was not racist. If you call me racist, you're a racist. Why did I just say that? Is something wrong with me? Obviously there is. I need to see a therapist. Anyway, we're gonna back to editing. We're gonna move this layer up and over the GIF. Gorgeous. That's our finished product. No, it's not. We're gonna add PSD coloring because why not, sweetheart? We're gonna open. We're gonna open, and I know the proper place to go right now to get this PSD coloring, honey. We had to go to downloads, honey. Then we're gonna open it. We're gonna open it. Yes. Oh, honey, yes. What the fuck's wrong? What the frick is wrong with me? Oh my god, I'm losing my mind. Nobody can see this, thank God. Okay. Yes. It's automatically selected, so I don't have to do anything. So it's cool. It's a PSD coloring if it has a folder. Alright, we're gonna drag it. Then we're gonna add it. Then we're gonna be like, boom! That's what it's done. It's done. It's cool. Now we're gonna go to file. Then we're gonna export as. What we gonna do now? Hit that GIF button! GIF. Save it. It's okay if photopea crashes sometimes. It happens. Normally, all you have to do is hit that wait. And keep doing it. Keep living your best life. Yes. Now we are done. Look at this final product. It's beautiful. It's great. Fabulous. We love it. And down here you can see the size. 1.3 megabytes. And it's about a blog on Amino is about 10 megabytes. So you're good to go. Yeah. And you see this right here? It usually happens either because your GIF quality is low or because of the PSD coloring. It individually does some altering. But that's fine. It's nothing too big, you know? That's fine. So anyways, I'm gonna save. And now we're done! Love that. We're cool. We're amazing. Okay. So thank you guys for watching my first commentary tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And for the next tutorial, please leave a comment and tell me what you want me to do. Sorry if I freaked you guys out with my voice, but yeah, whatever. We're cool. We're done. We're cool. Goodbye. Nice talking to you guys. Nice. Amazing. Toodaloo. What's going on?